channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make DIY beach crafts and decorations. So I hope you enjoy this and let's get on with the video. So the supplies that you will need are some paintbrushes, blue and white paint, a wooden box, some netting, shells, and a hot glue gun. And all of this stuff you can get at either Michael's or Hobby Lobby. So I first just started by painting the box blue and white. When I was in Florida, I found one of these boxes in a gift shop and I really liked how it looked, so I decided to recreate my own. So I painted some blue and white stripes at the top, and then everywhere else I just painted it white, but I thought it would look really cool with like a little wave at the bottom. And I was debating whether to put more shells on it, but I wanted to keep this one pretty simple because I've made shell boxes in the past and I just went crazy on those. I'm actually going to show you some of the shell boxes that I made with my mom a couple years ago at the end of this. But yeah, for this one, I bought some netting at Hobby Lobby, but it was like way too big for the box. Like the holes were really big. So I decided to macrame my own netting, and it actually turned out really well. So I ended up using that for the top of the box, and I was gonna put like shells that I found in Florida, but instead I just ended up putting a starfish at the top that I bought at Hobby Lobby because I obviously didn't find a starfish on the beach. But yeah. So once I was done painting the whole box, I just took my netting and hot glued it to the top of the box. And then I decided to hot glue some of the ends that were sticking out just so that it would stay in place. And then I just cut off all the ends, and then I just hot glued my starfish right in the middle. And that was pretty much it. I just liked how simple it was compared to all of the other shell boxes that I've made, but I thought I would show you some of the ones that I've made in the past with my mom. We collected all of these shells from Florida, so yeah, this is kind of a hobby of ours, and we got pretty crazy with it. But this is just another idea if you wanted to do a shell box like that. for the sailboats, you will need some pliers, driftwood, sea glass, some keychain hooks, a hot glue gun, wire, and some E6000 glue. I actually ended up not using the E6000 because it just did not work out for me. But anyways, I just started by measuring my wire. I first placed it through the keychain, and then I took my pliers and clamped it down just so that I could see like where the sea glass would be. And then I took one of the ends of the wire and started by wrapping it around the driftwood. And I wanted to create like a wave on the driftwood. I was looking on Pinterest, but then I also found these on Etsy too, and I kind of fell in love with it because I love making stuff out of driftwood and sea glass. So I thought I would make my own, and I figured out how to do it. It's pretty easy, but this is very time consuming. I actually took a class in college where one of the projects involved using wire, and that was pretty hard. So I do have some experience with this. But anyways, I just took the wire and tried to use the pliers to make waves. I don't know if this turned out very well, but I tried my best. It was pretty hard, like, doing this while holding it all together. It kind of kept flopping all over the place. But yeah, once I finally formed my wave, then I wrapped the other end around and then just kind of tied it around it and clamped it down with the pliers. And let me tell you, that took a really long time. I got pretty frustrated, but I finally got it to work. And then I just put the keychain thing back on it because it's kind of hard to do the wave when the keychain is like flopping all around. I decided to use the E6000 glue, and this is the first time I've ever used it, and it doesn't dry very fast, and I also didn't have all day to just sit there and hold it, so I thought maybe using hot glue with it would work better. And I think the two chemicals together made it not really work well or something, so I would recommend just using hot glue because that worked way better for me. I just glued it to the wire and the driftwood, and that was pretty much it. I think those turned out really cute. So for the sea glass candle, you will need a hot glue gun, sea glass, a tea light candle, and a 3-inch circle mirror. I just got the mirrors from Hobby Lobby, but I collected all this sea glass from the beach. I'm sure you can find sea glass on Amazon or Hobby Lobby, but yeah, I just like to collect it for fun, so I decided to make this. So I basically just started by layering a whole bunch of sea glass around the whole mirror. So this DIY is pretty simple. You're just basically layering it until it gets to the top of the candle. But yeah, this was a pretty easy DIY, and I think it turned out really cute. I put it in my room right next to my shell box. hope you guys enjoyed this fun beach DIY video. I've been wanting to do another one of these, so I hope you liked it and try some of them out. And if you did, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!